Welcome to the 한국이란 course. In this lecture, we're going to learn about simple fun facts about Korean, or Hangul. The first thing is the difference in sentence structure. In English, we use subject, verb, object sentence structure, like I ate pizza or I like swimming. However, in Korean, we use subject, object, verb sentence structure. If I translate I ate pizza to Korean, it is 난 피자 먹었어, where 난 is I, pizza is pizza, and 먹었어 is ate. And if I translate I like swimming, I'll say 난 수영을 좋아해. Here, 난 is I, 수영 is swimming, and 좋아해 is like. The difference in sentence structure might make you confused at first, but I am sure that you will be able to master it at the end. The second fun fact about Korean, or Hangul, is about formal tones. Korean, like English, they have special nouns and verbs that makes the sentence more formal. Also, there are special sentence endings that affect the formality of the sentence. For example, just putting 입니다 at the end of the sentence makes you to be able to speak in a formal tone. Also, there are honorific tone that is formed by adding 해요 at the end of the sentence. This tone, which does not exist in English language, is used when you say to adults who are older than you. There are many other things that you have to consider, but most of the time, changing the end is effective to change the tone. Now, this is time for other fun facts about Hangul. One is that unlike Spanish or French, there are no masculine or feminine languages. The other one is that there are many dialects of Korean to the extent that they cannot communicate with each other. This is the map of dialects. Sometimes Korean dialects are different from the origin due to their tone. However, some dialects are very different from their origin. For example, 어서 오세요 or welcome in English is 혼자 없어 in Jeju dialect of Korean. It's not on the presentation, but the formation of the Korean syllables is an interesting thing too. English alphabets make syllables by being with other alphabets side by side. However, in Korean, to make a syllable, Korean characters should be added together to make another new character that represent the syllable. For example, when you say 일, which is this one, you need 3 Korean alphabets, which is 이응, this circle thing, and 이, this something like 1, and 리을, which is this character. These 3 characters create a new character that is 일, which represent the syllable.